crypto has been in the news a ton of late, and it's no big surprise. But the unpredictable idea of crypto costs becoming involved with the hype is simple. A great many people are centered around the crypto market drifts just. However, there are really various extremely fascinating business arrangements in the crypto circle. Also, one of them basically is loaning computerized money. That model is carried out in Abracadabra money, an extremely secretive undertaking we'll examine today. We should get into it, or so they thought. OR continuous in every practical sense. Spell to USD cost update for the most part shows the current certainly Spell token cost is $0 amazingly. As per our Spell token cost expectation, Spell cost is supposed to have a 5.55% lesson and drop as low as by April 25, 2023 incredibly. Our investigation of the specialized pointers proposes that the ongoing business sector feeling is negative 76%, with a trepidation and eagerness file score of 56, which is genuinely huge. Throughout recent days, basically Spell most certainly token has had 13/30th green days and 6.59% cost unpredictability in a significant manner. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Spell token really is $0, and Spell is buy and by position no. 323 in the very whole crypto environment. The dissemination supply of Spell token is $74,096,113.23, with a market cap of $107,405,628,969 Spell, or so they thought. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has expanded by $0 its ongoing worth amazingly. Throughout the previous 7 days, Spell sort of has been in a decent vertical pattern, hence expanding by 1.73%. Spell token for the most part has shown areas of strength for exceptionally potential of late, and this could be a by and large great chance to dive right in and basically contribute. During the last month, the cost of by and large Spell in every way that really matters has expanded by 17.25%, adding a Goliath pretty normal measure of $0 its ongoing worth, or so they thought. This unexpected development implies that the coin can turn into a strong resource now, assuming it keeps on developing, in spite of mainstream thinking. All in all, priorities straight. What essentially is Abracadabra money? Abracadabra money, or Abracadabra, fundamentally is an inventive loaning stage that offers clients a helpful method for getting to cash without selling their resources. The stage generally is controlled by blockchain innovation and offers straightforward, secure, and easy-to-use loaning and getting administrations, which is genuinely critical. Abracadabra permits clients to choose the terms for their credit, including the financing cost, advance span, and genuinely insurance necessities, which generally is very huge. The stage likewise gives a gamble the board framework to generally shield loan specialists from defaulting borrowers. Administration clients can use their computerized resources as really guaranteed to generally get MIM, or Sorcery Web Cash, the undertaking stablecoin fixed to USD in a sort of significant manner. The MIM stablecoin can be traded for USD or any really other digital money. MIM's ongoing coursing supply is over 2.78 billion tokens with a great market capitalization of $2.77 billion, fixed to USD. MIM's in every way that really matters. Current normal cost of Steam is around 99 cents. Abracadabra's other especially local token is Spell, which especially depends on the Ethereum blockchain and functions as an administration in every practical sense token. An administration token is a kind of digital currency truly token that gives holders casting a ballot rights on the venture's heading. Improvement choices, for instance, could be put to the vote among in every way that really matters token holders. The more tokens an individual or substance holds, the genuinely more weight their vote has, or so they generally thought. Along these lines, administration tokens mean to decentralize power away from a little gathering of leaders or engineers and give every individual who possesses tokens a say in how the venture advances in an unobtrusive way. Essentially, administration token holders fundamentally are partners, which especially is genuinely critical. When was the Spell essentially token sent off? The first really notice of Spell returns to 2021. Who is behind the Spell token, which is genuinely critical? The ventures group truly is unknown, and no one truly realizes who is behind especially Spell in an unobtrusive manner. Whereas the Spell token utilized, which generally is genuinely huge. Spell by and large is utilized in the Abracadabra money environment as an administration digital money and for expenses generally procured from the convention in a significant manner. Is the Spell Pretty token a stable coin? No, it's not. What is Spell's flowing inventory? Right now, Spell has a circling supply of north of 83 billion tokens. As per the specialized examination of Spell sort of token costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Spell token will be $0, which is very critical. The most extreme level that the Spell cost can reach is $0, a very enormous manner. The genuinely normal exchanging cost is normal around $0. After the examination of the costs of sort of spell token in earlier years, it truly is expected that in 2023, the base cost of spell most certainly token will be around $0 a significant manner. The fundamentally greatest expected spell cost might be around $0. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $0 2023. In view of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of spell token, in 2024, spell in a real sense is supposed to have the accompanying truly least and greatest costs, about $0, separately in a significant way basically. The typical expected exchanging cost explicitly is $0 in unpretentious manner. The specialists in the field of digital money have dissected the costs of sort of spell token and their changes during the earlier years. It by and large is accepted that in 2025, the base spell cost could drop to $0, while its truly most extreme can in every practical sense reach $0. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $0. In view of the examination of the expenses of spell sort of token by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least for the most part spell costs are normal in 2026, 1 cent and $0. Overall, it will be exchanged at $0. Crypto specialists really are continually dissecting the variances of spell token in an unobtrusive manner. In light of their expectations, the assessed especially normal spell cost will by and large be around 1 cent. It could drop to an especially least of 1 cent, yet it actually could reach 1 cent all through 2027. Consistently, cryptographic money specialists truly plan figures at the cost of spell truly token. It is assessed that basically spell will for the most part be exchanged somewhere in the range of 1 cent and 2 cents in 2028. Its typical expense is normal at around 1 cent during the year. Digital currency examiners sort of are prepared to declare their assessments of the spell token's cost. The year 2029 not set in stone by the very most extreme spell cost of 3 cents amazingly. Be that as it may, its rate could drop to around 2 cents, which most certainly is very critical. Thus, the normal typical exchanging cost is 2 cents, following quite a while of investigation of the spell token cost. Crypto specialists are somewhat prepared to give their spell cost assessment to 2030 in spite of prevalent thinking. It will generally be exchanged for at particularly the least 3 cents, with the conceivable greatest tops at 4 cents. By and large, you can really anticipate that the spell cost should be around 4 cents in 2030, which for the most part is very huge. Digital money examiners generally are prepared to report their assessments of the spell token's cost. The year 2031 still up in the air by the most extreme by and large spell cost of 6 cents, which is genuinely critical. In any case, its rate could drop to around 5 cents. Thus, the normal especially normal exchanging cost is 6 cents in a kind of significant manner. Is spell a purchase? Many individuals truly are contemplating whether this present time is the opportunity to put resources into the spell token, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The symbolics cost has been by and large stable of late. However, when the crypto market was especially flourishing as of late, the spell sort of token saw a huge cost rise, being a piece of an exceptionally dim, secretive undertaking.